right hinge swinging cafe door. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 29 inches, a height of 39.75 inches, and a depth of 1.5 inches. Cafe door will have corrugated filters. Coming to the right will be your barrel bolt, and for installation will be the tab located to the top left, and by flipping over will be an insert to install this cafe door. So with the door position on this side, the cafe door will swing from the right and can be locked from the other side to your left. Included with your cafe door will be screws, along with hardware and rotating shafts to install your cafe door. The measurements for the smaller corner brace or rotating shaft, we have 2.25 inches in length by 3 inches in height. 4-hole inserts for your screws. And the measurements for the second bracket or rotating shaft, we have 1.75 inches in length by 4 inches in height. There will also be 4 slots or inserts for your screws. All of these will be included with your purchase for one single or a double cafe door. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.